Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsimizga xush kelibsizlar. Welcome to a new class and today we have a guest. Javohir, assalomu alaykum.
Assalomu alaykum.
Yaxshimisiz?
Yaxshi, rahmat.
So Javohir and I will be delivering today's class and now you will know what kind of class. Let's start.
Let's go.
So in this video, we will learn how to make an order to a pizza. Pizzaga buyurtma berish. Buyurtma is an order. It's usually also said as zakaz, like in Russian, but actually there's Uzbek word buyurtma. Pizzaga buyurtma berish. The only moment that we have to remember is ga ending. Pizza ga, right? Pizza ga buyurtma berish. Somsa ga buyurtma berish. Shashlik ga buyurtma berish. So don't forget to add ga and then use this sentence buyurtma berish to make an order for something. So today we are ordering pizza, and pizza, as you see, is written pizza, and this is very interesting to remember. Don't confuse it. And before we start reading the dialogue and learning how to make an order, I would like to introduce you to the list of words that you'll come across in this dialogue. Okay, this is the list. And let's go one by one from word number one. Buyurtma, as I said in the beginning, is an order. Buyurtmangiz, your order. Tavuk is chicken. Tavukli is with chicken. Gosht is meat. Doesn't matter, beef or lamb. Gosht. Goshtli with meat. Qo'ziqorin is mushroom. Qo'ziqorinli is with mushroom. Pay attention how I'm pronouncing li. It's long. Qo'ziqorinli, go'shtli, tovuqli. Narx is price. Bitta is one piece. Bittadan is one piece like I take one of each, like one of this kind, one of this kind, one of this kind. So bittadan. Jama, total. Bepul, free. Pul is money. Bepul is free. Katta, big. Kichkina, small. Ortacha, medium. Nacht. And it's written with Q here. Nacht. But this is not how we pronounce it. We say it nacht. 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 Yetkazib berish, delivery. Yetkazib berish xizmati, delivery, service. Bera olasmi? Bera olasmi? Can you give? Tolay olasmi? And pay attention that I'm not saying olasizmi. Tolay olasizmi. I'm not prolonging E here. Bera olasmi? As if there are lots of Bera olasmi? Tolay olasmi? Even if you do pronounce all of them, just don't prolong E. Long E. Bera olasizmi? Tolay olasizmi? Okay? Okay, so now I'll read the dialogue. Me and Javohir will read the dialogue first. And then I will go back to the slides and read the translation. First, I'll read it without translation, and then I'll read the translation, and then I read it again without translation. Tayyormisiz? Boshladikmi? Javohir, tayyormisiz?
Ha, tayyorman.
Telefon orqali pizza operatori bilan suhbat. Suhbat is dialogue or talk. Telefon orqali, through or via telephone. Pizza operator is Javohir. Okay? Beep, 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 beep.
Assalomu alaykum, ishdaman.
Assalomu alaykum, pizza bormi?
Ha, bor. Qanaqa pizza kerak?
Qanaqa pizzalar bor?
Pepperoni, margarita, tovuqli, go'shtli, qo'ziqorinli pizzalar bor.
Bitta pepperoni va bitta margarita bering.
Qanaqasidan? Katta, kichkina yoki o'rtacha?
Pepperoni kichkinasidan, margarita kattasidan. Narxlari qanchadan?
Katta pizza 80 ming so'm, kichkinasi 60 ming so'm. Bittadanmi?
Ha, bittadan.
Bo'ldimi? Yana nima?
Yo'q, bo'ldi. Boshqa hech nima kerak emas.
Qanday to'laysiz? Naqdmi yoki kartadan?
Karta.
Uzr, lekin terminalimiz ishlamayapti. Naqd to'lay olasizmi?
Ha,
Jami 140 ming bo'ldi. Yetkazib berish xizmati bepul. Manzilni aytasizmi?
Alisher Navoiy ko'chasi 23-uy, 23A uy.
Telefon raqamingiz shumi?
Ha, 998 34 234 67 89.
Yana boshqa nomer bera olasizmi?
Albatta, 88 768 90 45.
Xo'p, rahmat. Buyurtmangiz 45 daqiqada yetib boradi.
Rahmat sizga. So, how's the dialogue? Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it okay? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to press like if you really like the lesson, because we are here to teach you the best Uzbek lessons. And let's go back to the beginning of our dialogue and read it again with the translation, okay? Operator is saying, Assalamu alaikum, ishtaman. Assalamu alaikum, pizza borma. Ishtaman is I'm listening. I'm listening, like hello. Assalamu alaikum, pizza borma. Do you have pizza? Pizza borma. Yeah? Ha, bor. Yes, we do. Qanaqa pizza kerak? What kind of pizza do you need? Qanaqa pizzalar bor? What kinds do you have? Like, maybe I don't even know. Pepperoni, margarita, tovuqli, go'shtli, qo'zi qorinli, which means pepperoni, margarita, with chicken, with meat, with mushrooms. And the client is saying, bitta, one piece. Pepperoni, one pepperoni, one margarita. One of each. Qanaqasidan? Which? And he's not specifying what exactly he means by this question. So the specification is here. Katta, do you need big one, small one, or medium? Katta, kichkina yoki o'rtancha. Pepperoni kichkinasidan, margarita kattasidan. And kichkinasidan, not just kichkina. Kichkinasidan means one of the small ones. Like you have lots of small pepperoni pizzas, and give me one of those. Yeah? It's not just give me one piece. Give me one of the many that you have. Just one. Margarita kattasidan. The same here. You have lots of margarita pizzas, lots of big margarita pizzas, and among them, give me one. Just one of those. Narx is price. Narxlari qancha? Narxi, you can ask narxi qancha, narxlari qancha. Narxlari because we are buying several things. Narxlari qancha? Katta pizza 80 ming so'm. The big one is 80,000. Kichkinasi 60 ming so'm. The small one is 60. Bittadanmi? One of each? Ha, bittadan. One of each. Bo'ldimi? Yana nima? That's all? What else do you need? Bo'ldi, boshqa hech nima kerak emas. That's all. We don't need anything else. Qanday to'laysiz? To'lamoq is to pay. How are you going to be paying? Naqdmi? Naqd, not naqd. Naqdmi yoki kartadan? Are you paying with card or cash? Kartadan. Uzr, terminalimiz ishlamayapti. Our terminal, the device, is not working. Naqd to'lay olasizmi? Can you pay by cash? Ha, yes I can. Jami 140 ming bo'ldi. Total amount to be paid 140,000. Yetkazib berish xizmati bepul. Yetkazib berish, delivery. Xizmat is service. Yetkazib berish xizmati bepul. Pul is money, right? Here it is. Money. That's money. Bepul, free. Manzil is address. Manzilni aytasizmi? Will you tell us the address? On Alisher Navoiy ko'chasi, Navoiy Street, 23A, right? Uy is house or building. Operator, telefon raqamingiz shumi? Is this your phone number? Because he can see it. Ha, 998 34, and I'm really saying it quickly because that's what native speakers do. Ha, 998 34 234 67 89. Try saying your number that quick. Ha, 998 34 234 67 89. And then he says, yana boshqa nomer bera olasizmi? Can you give me another number in case this one will be busy? Ha, albatta. Of course. 88 768. Again, that skill. When you can say numbers quickly. If you haven't watched the video about numbers, memorizing telephone numbers, go and watch. We give the exercise about doing this task. 88 768 90 45. Xo'p, rahmat. Okay, thank you. Buyurtmangiz. Your order. No, buyurtma is order. Buyurtmangiz, your order. 45 daqiqada, daqiqa is minutes, in 45 minutes, yetib boradi, will be delivered. Rahmat sizga. Now, we will read this again without translation and compare how you now understand compared to you're listening to this dialogue in the first time, like the first time you heard it and maybe you still seeing the slides, seeing the text, you could still not understand everything. But after I specifically read each line and I will read this dialogue again without translation, compare how is then and before, okay? Beep, 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 beep.
Allo, assalomu alaykum, ishdaman.
Assalomu alaykum, pizza bormi?
Ha, bor. Qanaqa pizza kerak?
Qanaqa pizzalar bor?
Pepperoni, margarita, tovuqli, go'shtli, qo'ziqorinli pizzalar bor.
Bitta pepperoni va bitta margarita bering.
Qanaqasidan? Katta, kichkina yoki o'rtacha?
Pepperoni kichkinasidan, margarita kattasidan. Narxlari qanchadan?
Katta pizza 80 ming so'm, kichkinasi 60 ming so'm. Bittadanmi?
Ha, bittadan.
Bo'ldimi? Yana nima?
Bo'ldi, boshqa hech nima kerak emas.
Qanday to'laysiz? Naqdmi yoki kartadan?
Kartadan.
Uzr, lekin terminalimiz ishlamayapti. Naqd to'lay olasizmi?
Ha? To'layman.
Jami 140 ming bo'ldi. Yetkazib berish xizmati bepul. Manzilni aytasizmi?
Aha, Alisher Navoiy ko'chasi, 23A uy.
Telefon raqamingiz shumi?
Ha, 998 34 234 67 89.
Yana boshqa nomer bera olasizmi?
Albatta. 88 768 90 45.
Xo'p, rahmat. Buyurtmangiz 45 daqiqada yetib boradi.
Sizga ham rahmat. This is the whole dialogue and you can use this to order anything on the phone. Even if you don't understand things that weren't mentioned here and there will be something new, you could still try and you could still stretch your language and challenge yourself because you need to learn how to understand. You need to learn understanding others. This is the whole lesson I was going to deliver and I hope... Kimu?
Pizza keldi.
Oy, rahmat. While I'm gonna enjoy my pizza, please leave your comments and let us know what you think about this awesome lesson. Darsimiz yoqqan bo'lsa, albatta like bosing hop. Ayar. Telegram kanaliga ham a'zo bo'lib qo'yinglar. Xayr.